Shib holders, take note. There will be a massive earthquake valued at $4 billion. The current state of the cryptocurrency markets is massive, and it has the potential to significantly impact Shiba Inu's worth. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this movie if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But before we get into our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on June 25. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 1,800 units. Shib's price has increased by 8.1% over the last day, and $341 million worth of trades have occurred in that time. The token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $10.6 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today now. Why is today's cryptocurrency market down? Bitcoin and the whole crypto market capitalization are watching the effects of the May sell-off. June saw consistent reductions, and the level of pessimism is rising. With withdrawals of around $70 million on the previous day, the market's total value for cryptocurrencies is now $2.21 trillion. There is little likelihood of a comeback since the stability that was anticipated around the $2.29 trillion threshold was not maintained. Total is responding to the summertime decline in liquidity brought on by the widespread belief that one should sell in the main and go. It's possible that the cryptocurrency market may calm down and advance more slowly until September or October. It would need to recover from $2.20 trillion in total if any recovery was to occur. Only until the $2.29 trillion resistance turns back into support can the same be verified. The price of Bitcoin drops to $62,000. As of the publication of this article, the price of Bitcoin has broken through the support level of $630,005. Since the cryptocurrency asset was following a double top pattern, a decline was predicted. Although $63,068 was the goal price for Bitcoin, the price drop was far more than the 6.5% loss that was predicted. If Bitcoin can once again find support around $63,000, it may make a comeback and try to recover the lost gains. This would allow it to surge above $65,000, negating any further bearishness due to increased liquidity. Other noteworthy developments concerning the broader market occurred today. Investment company CoinShares, which specializes in cryptocurrency, sold its FTX claim for £31.32 million. A $26.6 million claim had a 116% recovery percentage, according to the business. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in Turkey, BTC Turk, said that it had been compromised over the weekend. Users have been reporting that about 51 million euros worth of cryptocurrency had been taken, despite the exchange's declaration that just a portion of the value on the hot wallets of 10 cryptocurrency assets was compromised. We would much appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Shibarium is shocked by a 493% increase in Shiba Inu token transaction costs. The Shibarium network has seen a notable increase in transaction fees, rising by 493% in the last week, according to recent statistics from Shibarium Scan. The main cause of this spike is increased network activity brought on by a rise in interest in Shiba Inu coins in the wake of recent market volatility. The ecosystem's native token, BONE, which is used to represent transaction fees, increased dramatically from 16.22 to 79.18 bones. The significant rise in fees is correlated with the significant increase in transaction volumes, which increased by 278.5% over the course of the same 7-day period, from 5865 to 16,337 transactions. The manner in which these transaction fees support the ecosystem is very important to SHIB holders. Bone that is used to pay for Shibarium transactions is partially transformed into SHIB before being burnt. By reducing the amount of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, this approach may increase their scarcity and value proposition. SHIB's price may increase economically if its supply is reduced as a result of burning. The fundamental concepts of supply and demand are to blame for this. Prices rise in situations when supply is reduced and demand either remains constant or increases. The importance of Shibarium for increasing network activity is shown by the recent increase in transaction fees. It also demonstrates the potential influence on SHIB's market. The ecosystem's active management of token economics via burning mechanisms might potentially boost the trust of long-term investors in SHIB's value proposition. Shiba Inu reaches a crucial juncture when 417 trillion SHIB tokens reach parity. The on-chain analytics platform data included in the block indicates that 417.43 trillion SHIB tokens, purchased between 1,700 and 1,800 units, are held by 13,190 wallets. Notably, Shiba Inu had its first comeback to the 1,900 unit price threshold since February last week, but it only dropped further as negative pressure remained. 417 trillion Shiba Inu at a pivotal juncture. For a number of reasons, the 417.43 trillion Shiba Inu tokens held at about $0.17 represent a critical milestone for the asset's price trajectory. First, typical holders of these addresses are neither in profit nor loss at this stage, which is known as break-even. Moreover, of all accumulation price thresholds, this one has the biggest concentration of SHIB tokens. Curiously, with 13,000 wallets, this area has the fewest addresses even though it has the largest volume. In essence, the 417 trillion Shiba Inu that was amassed at about $0.17 marks a critical juncture in the asset's short-term trajectory, and the subsequent action will have a big impact on investors. Worst situation. The next support level is at 1,400 units if the price of Shiba Inu drops below the 1,800 units price range and the 417.43 trillion SHIB tokens become worthless. Currently, 58,000 wallets with an average of 1,600 SHIB tokens each possess 94 trillion tokens. Interestingly, considering the quantity of SHIB holders at this price point, a drop below 1,400 units is very certain to occur. This is because the support level is not particularly robust. Furthermore, given that Bitcoin has returned to $61,300, SHIB is already perilously near to losing up 1,800 altogether. Additional situations that might occur. However, if Shiba Inu gains traction and momentarily defeats the bears, it may encounter resistance in the $0 and 18 cents $19 zone, where 818 trillion SHIB tokens are held by 18,150 addresses. With over 114,000 wallets holding 67 trillion SHIB tokens, a stronger obstacle lies just beyond if the bulls surpass this level. Investors may try to liquidate their holdings near the 2,300 unit zone. Now for the major narrative of today's video. After a 50% weekly decline in open interest, Shiba Inu reaches a 3-month low. It could take some time for SHIB holders to recover since the state of the market does not now point to an optimistic conclusion. Investors in Shiba Inu pull back. The meme currency dropped to a 3-month low, and the bears are taking a heavy hit on the price of Shiba Inu. The decrease in the shaken money flow indicates that selling pressure on Shiba Inu investors is increasing along with the drop. The distribution and accumulation of a cryptocurrency are shown by this indicator, which is now below the neutral line. This demonstrates the growing pessimism among investors. Apart from the unsteady money flow, Shiba Inu's open interest has dropped dramatically. One of the most important metrics for assessing market mood and possible future price changes is open interest, which is the total amount of outstanding derivative contracts. Shiba Inu's open interest fell more than 50% from $73 million to $34 million in the last week. This significant decline indicates a discernible change in the confidence and conduct of investors. The steep drop in open interest indicates that, partly as a result of the continuous price loss, investors may be pulling their money out of Shiba Inu. This withdrawal serves as another evidence of the increasing selling pressure and pessimistic forecast for cryptocurrencies. Shib price forecast it will take time to recover. At 1,800 units, the Shiba Inu's price is now below the crucial 2193 unit support level. The meme currency may now bear the brunt of the fall as investors pull out of their positions. It is probable that the meme currency will either stay below 2193 units or have a decline below 1473 units. In any scenario, a delayed rebound means that consolidation will probably be the next move for the price of Shiba Inu. The only way this bearish argument is refuted is if the purchasing pressure increases. This might push the price over 2193 units and raise it much more. 2367 units would shift into support with one more push. However, Shib isn't the only thing you need to be researching right now. In fact, during the market meltdown, I put out a list of the top cryptocurrencies to purchase. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.